Welcome back everybody. So today in this video we have a piece of beech on the lathe. So first things first, we're going to mark out where the mortise is going to go. There we go. And now where the foot is going to go. Okay, so now we're going to turn the lathe on and we're going to start by using the mid-size finisher by Easy Wood Tools and get the bowl turned to the shape required.
River's gonna cry when you're gone. Where will you go? Won't you miss the ones you know? I'll be here, hanging on, waiting for your call. Seems like time.
Okay, just doing a couple of final passes on the outside there with the finisher.
River's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. River's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone.
There we go. Okay, so now we're going to work our way around to the bottom of the bowl now, and we're going to start working on the mortise. So going with the mid-size detailer. And now change to the number 1 hollower just to clean all it out. And now the mid-size rougher just to flatten everything off so it sits flat on the table or wherever it is you fancy putting it. And back to the detailer so it matches the jaws of the truck.
When we sat there, you and I, the river's gonna cry when you're
Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're going to grab the Easy Wood beading cutter here that's got a negative rake on it, and we're going to put some beads around the bowl now. So they come in 4 different sizes. So yeah, and like I say, they've got a negative rake on them, so they're also fantastic for resins. So yeah.
You want to leave this place where we grew up, this old town, just leave it all.
And there we go.
The river's gonna cry when you're gone.
Alright, so as always I've done most of the sanding, so now I'm just going to sand to 240 using cling spore abrasives. And there we go. Alright, so now we're going to put on some colour. So we've got the Pearlescent Paints here from Jo Sonja's. So we're going to start with the red. Move to the green, which is actually like a colour shifty one. I think it's a greeny blue. And then we've got a bit of orange, some purple, some light blue or turquoise, and finally some white. There we go. And give it a quick touchy touch now just to make sure it's dry so we can move on, and it was. Okay, so now we're going to give it some professional matte sanding sealer from Harvey Machine. Give this a few coats. There we go. Alright, so now we're going to get to the inside of the bowl. So we are going to start off with the number 1 hollower. We're going to flatten off the top first of all. And then we're going to start plunging in. And we're removing material. And there is the mid-size finisher, just to take out any ridges that might have happened. And now we're going to quickly go over the rim, just to clean that up a bit. And there you go. Okay, once again, already done most of the sanding, so just going to go to 240 grit here, once again with clean spore abrasives.
I can stay till the morning, or stay till the dawn, but just hold me now.
There we go.
I wanna be so much better whenever you're around. I wanna
A little bit of methylated spirits or denatured alcohol, just to clean out the grain. Some sanding sealer from Harvey Machine. Some Yorkshire grit abrasive paste. You can get this from Axminster in the UK, or you can get it from Northside Custom Crafts in the USA. There will be links down in the description. Then you just wipe it all over until you get a clean paper towel, and then once the paper towel comes off clean, you get around about 1,000 grit.
Is it too late to tell you about how much I'm sorry for the things I have done?
And there you go. And there's some Harvey Machine original luster wax. Just wipe it all over. Start off nice and slowly. Eventually turn the lathe up to around about 1,000 to 1,200. Build up some heat. Buff it all in. Remember not to push too hard. You don't want to rub off all the wax that you just put on. And then just build up that shine. I want to thank everybody for watching this video. Please remember to show it your friends, show it your family, show it your enemies if you like. Please give this video a big thumbs up, and until next video, I shall see you later. Bye bye for now.